Alright guys, let's see how this goes. So this is my absolute first time riding this bike. I trailered it home. Not sure if you can see. Mileage is 1. So today's going to be a short trip. Hopefully you guys can see everything. I'm used to riding the Harley, so everything's kind of set up for the Harley. Got a new sound recording system. But anyway, let's go ahead and get her started up and warmed up. Alright, so hopefully I'm going to try to talk as lightly as I can because the mic is, the little fuzzy part of the mic is literally touching my face. I used a clever little zip tie trick, so I had something for the mic to clamp onto. But this is a 2025 Ninja 500 ABS. I bought this about 2 months ago. As I've said, this is the first time riding it. I have my reasons for that. So all we're going to do today is just take it to a Shell station and fill it up with 93. I don't know what they've got in here. This is going to be quite a boring ride because I am doing the break-in period, everybody's favorite thing. So for the first 150 miles, they say to keep the RPMs under 4,000 RPM, like this thing is some kind of torque monster. They also say don't lug the engine. They also say don't do any sustained speeds, so I don't know. So basically don't ride the bike ever. We'll see. I'll probably keep it under 5. I know enough to what not to do on a new engine like this. I'm not going to be doing any spirited riding, of course. Guess that's enough rambling on. Bike's about warmed up. Doesn't really have a temp gauge. So go ahead, visor down, and I gotta find out where the brake is. Okay. I have never shifted this bike. I have never ridden this bike. Oh boy, I need to adjust my mirrors. But anyway, guys, 1 mile. Let me pull over and adjust the mirrors. I'm an idiot. I genuinely have not ridden this thing. That's good enough. That's the horn. There's a pothole. It shouldn't be too hard to keep it under 4 grand. I've got to get used to the blinker. My first downshift. Oh, it turns in nice. It feels so weird. Oh, come on, Dan. forgot to put my registration sticker on. That's okay. 2 miles. I hope you saw that. Alright, that's all I really wanted to take video of. It's first mile. Engine braking good for new engine. Oh, the brakes are so much. Yeah, see, downshifting, and neutral. Not so bad. I think it's more I'm stressing about. Instead of just riding the bike, I'm like really trying to keep the RPM low. I know that sounds silly, but that's, I think, why I'm, and I can't really hear the exhaust, so like I kind of can, but the RPMs drop so fast. I'm gonna do some light poles and let it decel since there's not much traffic. There's really nobody behind me. Get some engine braking. Try not to lug it. Nah, she's good. Light acceleration. Speed limit's 45 anyway. I missed that blinker. My first bike was a Kawasaki Vulcan 900, and of course that's standardized metric bike stuff. The blinker's the same as this. It's all on one side. I'm kind of subconsciously nervous about hitting the starter button because that's where the right turn signal is on a Harley. Oh, the brakes are there. Oh my God, the brakes. They're so much nicer. See, the downshifting, zero issues. It's just, I really have to get used to the throttle. And I honestly, I can't hear, the wind noise is enough where I cannot physically hear the exhaust. Maybe you can, I'll find out when I'm editing this, but I genuinely cannot hear the exhaust. I didn't think that would be a problem. It's a nice Sunday drive. It's about 11 a.m. I meant to get out sooner. Figured I'd take care of some chores around the house, and then of course figure out a way to set up the wireless mic. Nobody behind me, so that's always nice. 4 miles, guys. 4 miles. So I'm gonna make a video after this, obviously, of why I bought this bike over any other bike, why I didn't just trade in a Harley towards something else. I can talk about that kind of stuff for days. I'm a huge automotive enthusiast, including motorcycles. I have been second bike shopping in my head for the last 10 years, so believe me, this was a very long thought out decision, even though I know this bike is fairly new. I was sold on the Ninja 400s for the longest time, but there's something I won't dare to bother try to explain because I don't understand it. Just something was stopping me from getting one. And then this one came out without me even realizing it. I went on the website one day and there it was. I had no idea they were even making one. So I was like, oh, that's it. That's it. That's what I was waiting for without realizing it. All right, Shell station. Oh, the brakes are so much nicer. The downshifting's so much nicer. I'm gonna break the law here. Boom, boom. Oh, there we go. Neutral. Fun, fun. All right. Where the hell? There it is. Guys, I'm going to fill her up. Put 5 whole miles on it. I'm going to fill it up and off we go.